Welcome to 98th percentile. Today we are going to do Math Kangaroo 2016 5 and 6 question number 15. Bart sits at the hairdresser's. In the mirror he sees a clock as shown in the diagram. So we see this one. What was the mirror image of the clock 10 minutes earlier? So we have to see 10 minutes earlier, what was it? So is it A, B, C, D, or E? So let's proceed. So this was the given, if we just go back, you will see this was the given figure. Similar is what we have drawn here. Okay, so we have this and we have which comes to this. Okay, so this is our mirror image. So this is option E. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.